Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Sharply Code. Today I want to show you guys how to use the before and after pseudo element in CSS. So let us start. First I have an h1 here with opening and closing tag and content in between. And I think that is enough. So let us head to CSS. Now this is how to use the element in CSS. First I will select the h1 tag in my HTML and then write column and then the before or after element. Let's start with the before. Now the first property must be the content property. And in between this single quote here, anything you write will appear before or after the content in your HTML. As you can see, the plus sign I'm writing is appearing before the word Sharply code. And if I change this to after, you can see it's now appearing after. That is another way to use this element in CSS. There are other ways we can use this element in CSS also. For instance, I want to put a gradient line under this word. I can still achieve that. Now to add the gradient line, I'll come down here and say height 5 pixels and set the width to 100%. And I'll set the background image to linear gradient. As you can see, nothing is showing up because we haven't set the position yet. So I'm going to set the position obsolete. But before I do that, I'll come to my h1 here and set the position to relative. Now, as you can see, the line has appeared. And now we have to push it down. To do that, I will set the bottom. I will set bottom to 0. And the left also, I will set it 0. Now you can see the line is beneath the word Sharply code. Now let us add some padding to push it down a little. And, let us set the maximum weight to fit to content. Now that is how to use the before and after pseudo element in CSS. If you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks.